Hello, my name is Tanmay Devnath. My co-authors are Satyabrata Sinha, Nitish Sinha, and Bishankabrata Bhumi. My presentation on microring resonator based PAM4 modulator with variable ER. Contents: Introduction, microring resonator, PAM4, extension ratio of PAM4, variable extension ratio, results, conclusion, and reference. Introduction: due to ongoing rise of bandwidth hungry applications like high definition television, online social network, and cloud computing, the variety of high speed network infrastructure adapters is increased in modern times. So we need a higher bit rate. Higher order modulation allows greater bandwidth utilization or provides a higher data rate within a given bandwidth. Higher order modulation formats such as QPSK, 16 QAM, PAM4 are often used in the optical fiber communication. Here we works on the PAM4 modulation technique. However, increasing the bandwidth utilization make modulated signal more susceptible to noise and interference. At higher order modulation level, eye opening is reduced or closed due to nonlinearity at the higher amplitude because of high power supply. Microring resonator. A microring resonator is generally consists of ring and straight waveguide. The device resonates at wavelength equal to the optical path length of the ring waveguide. Microring is a photonic system that couples one or two static waveguide in a ring. An optical ring resonator is defined to be waveguide where a light source is provided at the input of the loop by coupling and the output receiver. The ring resonator works on the principle of optical coupling, constructive interference, and total internal reflection. Silicon microring modulator based device offers smaller footprint and lower power consumption compared to Mach-Zehnder modulator. PAM4. PAM4 stands for pulse amplitude modulation with 4 levels. Modulation is the process changing the characteristics of the carrier signal with amplitude, frequency, and width, etc. It is the process of adding information to the carrier signal. A carrier signal is steady waveform with constant amplitude and frequency. Basically, PAM4 is a modulation scheme that combines two bits into a single symbol with 4 amplitude level. The efficiency that effectively doubles the network data rate. Extension ratio of the PAM4. The extension ratio in the telecommunication extension ratio is the two optical power level of a digital signal generated by an optical source. The extension ratio may be expressed as fraction in dB or as a percentage. Variable extension ratio. At the higher amplitude level, eye opening is reduced due to the nonlinearity in the higher amplitude because of the high power supply. Variable extension ratio is the ratio of two or more optical different power levels of a digital signal generated by optical source. The transmitted power level are optimized such that each amplitude level has uneven expectation ratio varying from lower to the higher. The problem can be compensated by this variable extension ratio at the different amplitude level. This is my result when the um, when the OSNR is 25 dB, the eye opening, and in extension ratio, normal extension ratio, and in variable extension ratio. Conclusion: a PAM4 signal is more sensitive to noise because the voltage level are separate closer to together in the PAM4 signaling. From this we can observe the distance was increased, the VR decreased, so signal is varied effectively. As a result, the SNR of the PAM4 signal is lower. At higher amplitude level, eye opening is reduced because of higher power supply. This problem can be compensated by using uh, variable extension ratio. This is my reference. Thank you. If any query, ask me in this email.